everyone, welcome to a new episode of Livy's Family Fun World channel. I'm Angela, Olivia's mother, and on this week's episode, Livy is going to show you how to make a dessert in her Easybake Oven. Now, Livy is qualified to review this toy because she has all the latest toys. Now, please help us grow this channel and make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and share button on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye. First, we're going to do wash our hands with soap. You want to make sure that we're rubbing it in. So we have a vanilla frosting and chocolate brownie mix. And we have the spatula and we have the baking tray. This is going to tell us how to make it. Heat the oven for 20 minutes. I'm going to turn it on. While that's heating, I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to put brownie mix in the bowl. 1.5 a teaspoon water. I'm going to mix it together. Until it's thick. I'm going to put some flour on my hand. Roll it into a ball. I'm going to make the 6 brownie balls flat. Now we're going to put the oven. This what it's used to push it through when it's done. Then you push it to take it out Now we wait for 12 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to put the vanilla mix into the bowl. .5 a teaspoon of water into the bowl. It looks so yummy. I'm gonna have it. Let's see if I like it. It's the Easybake Oven, a thumb, twinkle, candy, pie, thumbs up. I love desserts. Desserts are fun.